So let us solve another problem from fluid mechanics and properties of matter. So it's basically a fluid mechanics problem, common fluid mechanics problem. So what the problem tells about that a tank placed on the ground is filled with water up to the height h. A small hole is made at the height h1 such that h1 is less than h. The water jet emerging from the hole strikes the ground at a horizontal distance d, as shown schematically in the figure. So which of the following statement is correct? So we need to find the among the options that which statement or statements are correct. So first, to calculate this, we need to compute the velocity. So velocity depends on this gap, right? V is equal to root over 2g h minus h1, right? So here it, it is not only h1, so it is h minus h1, right? So d is the distance which the water travel after ejecting from this hole, right? So we can write that a h1 equal to half gt square, right? It is so t can be written as root over 2h1 by g, right? Similarly, the expression of the d, we know it is v into t. So v from the above, we have found the expression, right? We have found the expression as 2g h minus h1 into t is root over 2h1 by g. So gg cancel out. So here we get 2 into root over h1 into h minus h1, right? So it is not simply h minus h1, this is a root over. So this is also not correct. So d, when it will be maximum? So maximum means we need to find the maximum value of this. So we need to find the derivative of the of this expression with respect to h1. So h1 into h minus h1 d by dh1, right? So equal to 0. So if we do the derivation, so it will be a square. So 2 h1 equal to 0. So h1 will be h by 2. So when h1 will be h by 2, it maximizes, and then the maximum we can also visualize, or we can also state from the we can do the double derivative of this portion. So if we do the double derivative, this square by d h1 square into h h1 by h1 into h minus h1. So it will give minus 2. So it's a maximum value. So at h1 equal to h by 2, it gives the maximum value. So this is also not correct, right? So the option C is also not correct. D, the maximum value of D is, so the maximum value of D is H. So here the D we have already calculated the value of D. So we put H1 equal to H by 2, right? H1 will put H, so it will be H by 2 into H by 2, right? So it is 2 into root over squared by 4 or 2 into h by 2. Yes. Yeah, yeah. So only the statement D is correct for the above problem. Right? Hope you have understood the problem. So thank you for now.